1-2 submittals. Note that review of submittal descriptions, definitions of section 10013300 submittal procedures edited for the following listing reflecting the submittals required to the project. The guide specification techniques editors have designated those items that require the government approval due to the complexity critical with a G. General for other submittal items can be reviewed with the contractor quality control system. Only add a G to any item if the submittal is sufficiently imported by the complex context of the project. From submittals requiring government approval for the Army Projects Code, a three-character within the submittal stages of the following G designations indicating the approval authority of the Army Projects with the Resident Management System, the RMS, as in the AE, Architect Engineering, DO, and District Office Engineering Division Organization of the District Office, the AO Area Office, the RO Residential Office, and the PO the Project Office. Codes in following the G typically are not used in the Navy, Air Force, or NASA projects. Choosing the first bracketed item for the Navy, Air Force, and NASA projects. Choose the second bracket item in the project. Government approval is required for the submittal of the G designation. Submittals not having G designation are contractual qualification controls approval information only with the designation following the G designation identifies the office to review a submittal. Government and the following shall be submitted in accordance with section 13300 submittal procedures. The SPD product data cleaning agent, gasoline, oil, resistant rubber gloves, boots, cotton overalls, hard hat, respiratory or protective equipment, disinfection, abrasive for the fab blasting, submittal identifications for the items, designated names, specification numbers, project contracting numbers, intended use, the SD06 testing reports, blasting, abrasive test, tanking, content test, monitoring results of the G and its blank, and certifications and SD07, the qualifications of marine chemist, qualifications of certified industrial hygienist, testing laboratory, safety plan, working plan, hazardous waste disposal plan, taking certification of safety, a plan of treatment for discharge to the sewers, training certification for respiratory protection, protective equipment, or breathing air supply sources, combustible gas area indicator, leading air analyzer, hydrogen sulfide, benzene indicator, oxygen meter, velometers, lightning, first aid kit, tank, exhaust blower. Submit certifications for items listed where their equipment and materials are to be specified to conform to the standards organization, National Institute of Occupational Safety, Health, the NIOSH, National Occupation Safe Health, Underwriters Laboratory, UL, American Petroleum, IPI, including label and listing indication compliance within lieu of the label writing, and the contractor may be submitted to the testing report for approved testing organization stating that the item has been tested in accordance with the specified organization testing methods. The item conforms to the organization standards or codes. Manufacturer's SDO8 manufacturer's instruction, tank and cleaning agent, submittal material safety data sheets for the material to be used at the job site in accordance with Title 29 Code Federal Regulations 1910 and 1200. Close submittals. Note: delete the hazardous wastes to submit. The government designer must verify the government disposal and practicable. Make all the arrangements of the government disposal safe. Permanent subcopies permanents required for the comply of local, state, and federal regulations.